Welcome to Taiwan. Welcome to Taiwan. Welcome to Taiwan. Okay, this is her first flight ever. First out of the country mo, tama?
True.
So, anong nafe-feel mo at the moment?
Ang lamig.
Oishi. Going back to her. What the heck? Caption ko, nag-away sa Taiwan.
Kami rin na parang hindi nag-away.
Hindi ko na-expect na ganito kalamig. Wala pa naman akong panloob. 15 degrees ngayon, by the way. Grabe talaga yung suot ko. Ito lang, naka-short ako. Mars, na-recharge ka na sa Xiaolongbao. Ang saya niya na. Love you, baby.
Ako na hindi usually nilalamig.
Nilalamig ka na rin?
Nilalamig na.
Ayun na nga! That's almost 2,000 Philippine pesos each. Medyo pricey siya, but I hope it's worth it. So these are all our food. Yung order ko.
Sarap.
What do you want?
Ito.
Parang anak eh, no?
Ito po.
Okay. Tama na, kagabi na. Matutulog na.
Yes, Mitchell, it's good. Why the interest?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Safaya. You can call me Rafa. And for today's video, it will be very special because we are going on another travel because I enjoyed Thailand so much. So I am so excited for this too because today we are going to Taiwan. Currently, we're just booking. It's so hard to book. Our flight is still at around 11 p.m. but we should be there because it's December and everything is jam-packed there and there are a lot of people, just long lines, and just the airport's just filled with people. We saw them on TikTok and we need to make sure that we do not encounter any problem. And yeah, I'm so sad to leave my baby behind. But I will see you soon, baby. Ayan, nag-room na siya.
Kuting ko, baka bait kayo dito, ha? Okay?
Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye, ikaw. Hi, Mars.
Pero sige.
Walang makeup.
Okay lang yan. Hi,
Alam mo,
Mars.
nagtipid ako ng ng space.
Nagtipid ka lang?
Ng space.
Oo nga. Ay, tignan mo naman yung sa amin. Tas sa'yo. Hi, bebe. Sa vlog kita. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Ang laki ng bag mo, ah. Hello, so sobrang kaba namin ni na Jim. Kasi si Tin, first time niya kasi mag-travel. And ang tagal niya sa immigration. Tapos kinakabahan na kami. Tapos buti na lang ngayon, andito na siya. Ba't ang tagal mo?
Kasi nakipagkwentuhan pa siya sa kay Tulfo, ano mga nakita ko.
Ah, nakipagkwentuhan siya kaya matagal.
Nice.
Ah, hindi dahil kine-question ka niya. Isa po ng Pocofino latte. Ice po, ice. So, ang dami na namin nagawa. Bumili ako ng coffee sa Pocofino, which is really good coffee. Waiting na lang kami sa aming boarding, which is still maybe mga 2 hours away. Kanina pa kami naghihintay kasi ang aga namin dito kasi akala namin super dami ng tao. Turns out, hindi naman pala ganun karami yung tao. Hintay lang tayo ng coffee and then puntahan ko na sila doon. Nandun sila. Thank you. This is what you call love, pagmamahal. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, fuck. Sarap. Oh, fuck. Ang sarap for real. Oh my god, nagulat ako. I mean, masarap naman talaga po Fino Latte, but gulat lang ako. We are here with Christine. This is her first flight ever. First out of the country mo, tama?
True.
So, anong nafe-feel mo at the moment?
Ang lamig.
Anong nafe-feel mo na first time mong lilipad?
Wala pa akong pakpak.
Nais kong lumipad. Ano ba naman yun? Hindi. So, ano ang nafe-feel mo?
My family.
Hindi po siya makausap ng maayos, guys. Kasi Taiwan brain na siya ngayon. Yung utak niya nauna. Nauna yung utak niya sa Taiwan. Hala, canceled ka ngayon. Huli ka sa camera, boy.
Kanta yun.
Si Sanchay? Meet Your Garden. Sige nga. Ano ang lyrics?
Di ko alam kung
Walang kwenta kausap to. Basta first flight niya and parang wala naman siyang pakialam. Ka muna. Boarding time, guys. Finally, we are... boarding na nga. Yan na. Here we go, everybody. Welcome to Taiwan. Wow. So thank you Mars Angela for taking a video of me. Welcome to Taiwan. Hello guys, so we're officially in Taiwan. We already passed the immigration. Sobrang chill, wala silang pakialam. Like, kahit yung arrival card, wala silang pakialam. Nang nilapag ko yung phone ko to show them my arrival card, wala silang pakialam. Kasi nga, secure sila. Hindi katulad sa atin na sobrang higpit na para kami bitayin every time you go through the immigration. And ayun, nakuha na rin namin yung checked-in baggages namin. Si Jim na lang ngayon ay nakapila sa ATM. Got our Taiwanese dollars, guys. Wow. Guys, by the way, we will be buying our, anong tawag dyan? Easy card, I believe.
Cuba.
Okay. Since favorite ko yan si Kuromi talaga yung napagdesisyonan kong character na kunin for the easy card. Pero yung kaninang pinakita ko is hindi na yun. So I ended up with this design. Sobrang seryoso ko, no, para sa easy card. But this is the design that I chose for Kuromi. Kasi yun nga, Kuromi is my favorite Sanrio characters. Pinaloadan na rin to ni Angela ng 300 as you saw in the video. Nakapaload sila now. And yeah, this is my easy card for Taiwan para sa mga commute. Okay, so here we go. Actually, hindi malamig. Okay lang. Medyo mainit pang actually.
下一站，启聪学校，台。
The temperature is giving Baguio. Actually, Tagaytay lang nga kasi hindi naman ganun kalamig. So, again, mag-walk na pala kami kasi hindi kami magkaintindihan with the cab driver. Yun, walk na lang kasi hindi naman siya ganun kalayo. Hello, so as you can see, I removed my long sleeve shirt because it's hot. I mean, it's not hot, but it's not cold either. Pinapawisan ako, pawisin kasi ako.
Gutom ba kayo?
So, dito pala, turns out, kami pupunta. So, may mga cutie pie na Christmas lights. Oh, it's pretty. Hello guys, so I'm giving you a room tour of our B&B because I think it's nice. So this is the very heavy door and then you have to tap your key right here, I believe. Okay, then you open it and there goes our room. This is the receiving area. Meron silang maliit na bench. And here you have the powder room, shower room. Big mirror. We'll have a big mirror. And couch. Pwede rin siyang kama. Then we have 3 queen-sized beds or double. Queen size ba to? Double. Double-sized beds. And then we have a washing machine, a lavatory, a sink. Then we have here the utensils, the appliances, refrigerator, microwave oven, a closet, a cabinet, clothing rack, bookshelf, a television, and yeah, that is our room. And yeah, magpapahinga na muna kami. Mag-aayos na konti din. Pababa para kumain. Ha? Hindi ko pa alam eh. Basta gusto ko ng pagkain na masarap. Hello, so ito binili ko. Mentaiko and chicken cashew noodles. And then, I also have French style mushroom and cheese chicken. And for my drink, of course, aside from water, I have, of course, lactobacilli. Ito.
Meron ka bang mouth tape? Meron ng mouth tape. Ha? Ano mo? Mas magandang naka-mouth tape eh.
Hindi lasang instant yung food nila. Very fresh. Masarap. Hello guys, good morning. It's raining and it is officially our first day in Taiwan, and we are headed to eat 365, a restaurant which is actually very reminiscent of our last condo unit, which is number 365. So that's kind of sad, but so excited. By the way, yeah, it's raining and it's such a hassle to film. There's Pop Mart. There is our Pop Mart, our consumerist icon. We have here Joyful, the famous milk tea. Lots of people. Yes. Try mo kapag may nakikita ka. Thank you so much.
Egg mo yan. Century egg.
So I ordered, ano yung order ko? Braised chicken braised chicken noodles with a dash of cinnamon roll. Charot! It looks bland, pero tignan natin yung lasa. Itadakimasu!
Hindi ganun yun.
Ay, bakit? Oo nga, ano naman?
Nung patungan niya rin.
Ah, oh my. Oh my. Oishi. So I'm gonna eat already. Goodbye. Since it tastes very bland, lagyan natin siya nito. Sorry, just saying the truth. What's this kaya? It's giving sodium. Charing. So I had to put it. Let's try it now. Kung nag-iba ba yung last. Tastes better. Off to Taipei 101 we go! We will be riding the train for the first time. Ako, first time ko. Mars. Ay! May pa hair flip. Going back to her. So, maghahagdan kami kasi ang haba ng pila dun sa escalator. Look, haba. Papagod kami sa hagdan. Eh kasi, ang haba ng pila. We're already in Taipei 101. So tall. So we're already in Taipei 101 and the Apple Store is so big. Okay, so maghanap pala kami ng scarf niya.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Oh my god, ang liit ko. I don't like it.
Kasi yung camera, babe. Taste. Taste test. Oh! Pag walang sausage. Ay, meron pala.
Sige.
Pwede ka pa nakakagat.
Thank you. Sige. Bye. Arihaw.
So we're currently at Sukiya and nag-order pa ng yakitori bowl. Dito siya. Gusto ko ng gastos. 300? The super green tea one. This one. Number 3. Oh my god, it's so big! Green tea. It's so big, we didn't know. Sobrang laki talaga, like, akala namin ML. Look, sa ulo ko. Ay, sorry. Oh, ayan. Hello guys, so we have here my bingsu from Ice Papa. So mine is green tea with red soybean. And it looks really yummy. It looks really delicious. So we will try it together.
Wait lang, mamaya mo na na-OP ako.
Wow.
Strawberry snowflake ice.
So yun ng 200. Masarap siya. Anong flavor nyo sa'yo?
Fruits po, mixed fruits.
Pati, pakakita mo nga. Ayun, mixed fruits, bingsu.
Watermelon, pineapple, kiwi.
Bully sila, guys.
Pakita,
Bully.
pakita mo.
Siya kasi nagsabi nun eh, daga. Bakit daga?
Pakita mo. Isasama ko ba yan?
Hindi, ikat mo yan.
Masyadong matamis.
Mango. Tikman mo, masarap?
Wala, ang galing, matcha.
Sarap. Ang OA guys, oh, nung isang nagre-review.
Reaction?
What the heck?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is our second day here in Taiwan. I'm so excited because we have a lot to do today. We are going to be continuing our sightseeing, our Taipei sightseeing today because we weren't able to do it yesterday. Wow. Ay! Hindi, okay lang. Rainbow Street. Pero hindi ata yun yung main Rainbow Street. Meron pa ata mas malaki, mas sikat. Pero ayan, yun na rin yun. Isa na rin yan doon. Caption ko, nag-away sa Taiwan.
Kami rin na parang hindi nag-away.
1, 2, 3.
Ayan. So this is our food. Halos tulad-tulad kami. This is braised pork with something rice. And by the way, we're in Tim Ho Wan. And sabi, Michelin star to from 2010 until now. So yeah, Michelin star resto ang Tim Ho Wan kahit meron sa atin. So ayun. Thank you so much.
Gate was once the primary access to Dadao-chang. Today, it's the only one of type. Don't forget to take some photos.
Commercial District in Wangshan Temple.
Hello, so we're already in the sightseeing bus, finally. Ilang beses kaming nahuli. Pero this time, ay hindi naman ilang beses, one time lang kahapon. Tagal namin naghintay, pero kaibang side pala yun. But now we're already in the bus, the sightseeing bus. And ano masasabi mo?
Wangshan Temple.
Hello guys, so tapos na yung bus sightseeing and medyo underwhelming siya. Hindi kami masyadong nag-enjoy, medyo boring kasi talagang bus lang yun. Tapos yung mga landmarks is maganda pero hindi like wow factor. Tapos nakaupo lang tayo kami sa bus. But at least hindi pala siya matagal. Hindi naman siya 4 hours pala. Ibang route pala yun. And now we are on our way to Tam Sui. Maganda daw doon, parang yun yung lumang place, parang retro. We're about to board the train. Parang dito yung kasha. Nagkichismisan. Yun na ba? Subay? Subay. Hello, so we are already in Tam Sui. And we are in the riverside. Yan, very ano talaga siya. Ito yung sinasabi ni Mie na very enjoyable daw. Gustong-gusto nila na para siyang nag-travel pabalik sa time. So cold. Kahit ang araw-araw, sobrang lamig guys. As in, hindi ko na-expect na ganito kalamig. Eh, wala pa naman akong panloob. Ito lang talagang long sleeves ko. Tapos naka-short pa ako. Eh, ang lamig talaga. 15 degrees ngayon, by the way. Parang naka-aircon ka. Na malakas. we are here at the riverside. Ganda. Tara. Okay. Try. Thank you. Yum. Sabay alis eh, no? So...
Dito tayo.
Picture lang kami for our anniversary because it is our 5th anniversary.
Experience ko sa dito, ha? Ayan, oh. Ganda. Ganda?
Ay, sorry. Kuromi, Kuromi. Hi.
Sorry ko
Hello, so we're currently in Chamsui and naghanap lang kami ng kakainan and also sobrang lamig, hindi ko kinakaya kasi nga 16 degrees. And ang mamahal kasi ng jacket ay may mga panlamig naman ako sa B&B kasi hindi ko dala. So hindi ko pa alam kung bibili ako or what, so abangan nyo. But now, hanap muna ako ng makakain, so let's go. Wala na naman kami. Ni Christine, si Tin yung naghahawak. Ayun, nakita ko na. Ang sarap na may videographer. Thank you, Christine Joy Zamora, for taking our video. Say hi daw. Ay, wala talaga siyang battery. Wala na siyang battery, guys, kasi pagod na siya. Kanina pa kami naglalakad. Grabe talaga yung suot ko. Ito lang, naka-short ako. Ito lang, wala akong pang ano. So,
Tignan pa natin, sir.
awe? So, hindi pala tuloy, hindi pala kakain doon.
Hindi pag nakakita ng chismosa.
How much for that? So, bibili sila ng xiaolongbao. Tagal ng amats ni Mars. Yun. So, bibili sila na. Bibili kami. Hindi ko alam kung bibili kami lang. So, yun. Ang lamig. Wala akong pambili ng panlamig, guys. So, magpadala kayo sa number ko. Sorry. I'll take this one. No, may suot na ako tomorrow. Pampapatong ko lang. Guys, finally, maganda ba? Ang lamig. Finally, nakabili na ako. Ang ganda.
Guys, mamaya na.
Thank you. Okay.
Saan ba tayo? Bibili ko ba kayo?
Let's try. Wow. Wow.
Nag-milk tea na ako.
Nag-milk tea ka na.
Ako din.
Tastes lovely, right? Tastes so good. Mars, na-recharge ka na sa xiaolongbao. Ang saya niya na. Kanina wala nang energy yan. Tagal niya na kasing amat yun eh. The serve.
Yung 50?
One original is 45.
It's giving horror movie. Hello, so let's try yung xiaolongbao na tinara sa amin ni Christine.
Sarap.
Debak.
Uwi. Hindi siya to?
Ayaw mo na? Amin na ba to?
Oh.
Thank you.
Okay ka pa?
Pray na lang ako. Kayanin ko pa to. Ang sakit na mata ko eh. Sobrang anghang ng roto na to. Parang hindi naman nakaka-ano ng ice, nakaka-anong bulag naman.
Love you, baby. Grabe, hindi ko nakaya. Sobrang lamig. Taray. Hello, so now we're on our way back to our Airbnb because it's so cold. Kahit nakaganito na ako, kahit bumili na ako nito, malamig pa rin. And alam niyo ba guys, it's 14 degrees Celsius right now and walang biro yun. Hindi ko kasi na-expect na ganito talaga kalamig. Hindi pa nagbibiro si Best, si Patricia, nung sinabi niya na magdala ng puffer jacket. Akala ko joke lang. Sobrang lamig! Tsate.
Ako na hindi usually nilalamig.
Nilalamig ka na rin?
Nilalamig na.
Ayun na nga, Mars. Ako nga rin. Hello. So, after an hour of sleeping, resting, ganyan, sa BNB, we're now on our way to Mala Hotpot ata. Sikat na hotpot yun. Gusto i-try ni Jim. So, try namin. Temperature check. It's 12 degrees Celsius right now. So, ang lamig. We're going there. Pure soy sauce, a barbecue. Hello, so we are going to eat now. Actually, this price 898. Medyo pricey siya, 898. Meron siyang plus 10% na tax, so that's 998 each. 988 each. That's almost 2,000 Philippine pesos each. Medyo pricey siya, but I hope it's worth it.
Sabi niyo, ano kaya yung mga gusto niyo order ko?
Kept it in the sauce na ginawa ko.
Sarap. Bobo ko pala.
Paniklan mo na.
Okay na, bago.
Halo ko lang yung mga gusto ko. What do you want? Parang anak eh, no? Oh, what do you want?
Ito po.
Okay. Tama na, gabi na, matutulog na.
Hi.
Ow!
Hi.
Hi.
I'll take over po.
Oh, what do you want?
Here po.
Okay, faster ha. Let's eat the ice cream. This is tiramisu. That's yung flavor tiramisu, and the other is churros, dulce de leche. Just walking around Ximen because we are so full. Sobrang dami naming nakain talaga sa Mala Hotpot. Grabe. Why are you here, baby? I miss you. Naka-headphones ka pa. Huwag kasi pula. Yeah, ang ganda. So Jim bought me a black leather jacket as his anniversary gift. You get to buy two, then we buy.
I look very rich.
Yeah. So much. You're so nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Guys, he bought me an anniversary gift. And one for him, which is more expensive. Like super duper expensive. I mean, okay, so we just got home and our second full day is done. And we are so tired. So, napakaramdamitin. Tapos, iinom na kami ng probiotics. Mag-ready na kami ng damit for tomorrow ng mga fits namin. Kasi, tomorrow is the tour and maaga yon. 12 hours more or less. Pringles. Braised roast. English braised roast. Tikman natin. Masarap. It's good. Sarap. Savory. As a person who loves meat, sarap. So, yeah. Carry. Bye. Sarap. Thank you so much for joining us in this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Deuces. Goodbye.